This could be one of the most important iPhone upgrades Apple has planned in years. New leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are not just about a new design or faster performance. Apple may be preparing a major shift around artificial intelligence, professional cameras, and long-term value. But the most interesting part is not what Apple is changing, it is what Apple is keeping the same. Because millions of buyers thinking about upgrading to the next iPhone may have a difficult decision: buy now, or wait for what could be Apple's first true AI-powered iPhone generation. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to launch in September 2026, following Apple's traditional release schedule. And while the outside may look familiar at first, the changes happening inside could completely change the buying decision. The biggest upgrade starts with performance. Apple is expected to introduce the next generation A20 Pro chip, and this could become one of the most important Apple Silicon upgrades in years. Why? Because this chip is expected to move to a new 2nm process. That number may sound small, but the impact could be huge. A smaller chip process usually means Apple can deliver more power while using less energy. For normal users, that means faster apps, smoother multitasking, better battery life, and a phone that feels premium for more years. But that's not the biggest change. The real focus is artificial intelligence. AI features are becoming one of the biggest battles in smartphones, and Apple knows the next few years will not only be about camera quality or screen brightness, it will be about what your phone can do for you. The A20 Pro chip is expected to bring stronger AI processing directly on the device. This matters because on-device AI can be faster and more private compared to sending everything to cloud servers. Future: iPhones could handle smarter photo editing, advanced Siri features, productivity tools, and professional workflows without depending completely on internet connections. For creators, professionals, and power users, this could be a real productivity upgrade, and this is where the iPhone 18 Pro could separate itself from older models. The iPhone 17 Pro may already be powerful, but the iPhone 18 Pro Max appears focused on future-proof performance. Most buyers are missing this detail. When you spend more than $1,000 on a flagship phone, you are not only buying performance for today, you are buying performance for the next 4 or 5 years. And Apple's chip advantage has always been one of the biggest reasons people keep iPhones longer. But performance is only one side of the story. The camera system could receive one of the biggest professional upgrades ever added to an iPhone. Leaks suggest Apple is working on a variable aperture camera, and this could completely change mobile photography. Traditional iPhone cameras have a fixed aperture. That means the amount of light entering the camera is mostly controlled by software. A variable aperture would give the iPhone more physical control over light. This is closer to how professional cameras work. For everyday users, the benefit is simple: better portraits, better night photos, more natural background blur, more control over the final image. For creators who record videos, travel content, or social media videos, this could make the iPhone an even stronger professional tool. The numbers look impressive, but real-world usage tells a different story. A camera upgrade only matters if it helps normal people capture better moments, and this is exactly where Apple usually focuses. Instead of chasing only bigger megapixel numbers, Apple focuses on consistency. Open the camera, press record, get reliable results. That is the premium experience people pay for. The telephoto camera is also expected to improve, especially in low light. A wider aperture zoom lens could help solve one of the biggest problems with smartphone cameras: zoom photos at night. Today, many phones look amazing during the day, but when light drops, zoom quality usually becomes weaker. Apple's improvements could make the Pro models much more reliable. There are also reports about a new stacked sensor design. The goal is better dynamic range, lower noise, and cleaner images, and the front camera may finally get another important upgrade. A 24-megapixel selfie camera has been mentioned in multiple reports. For video calls, creators, and social media users, this could be a noticeable improvement, but there is another upgrade you will notice every single time you unlock the phone: the display. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to reduce the size of dynamic Island. Face ID components may move further underneath the screen. creating a cleaner front design. Some reports suggest the cutout could become almost 50% smaller. This does not mean Dynamic Island disappears completely, but it could make the screen feel much more immersive. For watching videos, gaming, editing photos, or daily use, a cleaner display makes the device feel more futuristic. However, here is where things get interesting. The overall design may not dramatically change. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to look similar to the iPhone 17 Pro. Some buyers may see this as disappointing, but Apple's strategy appears different. Instead of changing the shape every year, Apple is improving the experience. Better materials, cleaner finish, better performance, better cameras, more AI power. The rear design may receive small refinements, including a more unified glass and aluminum look. New colors are also expected, with leaks mentioning options like dark cherry, light blue, dark gray, and silver dart. The dark cherry option especially could become the signature Pro color. Now let's talk about gaming. Performance mobile gaming is becoming much more demanding console level. Games require better graphics, better cooling, and more efficient chips. The A20 Pro could make the iPhone 18 Pro one of the strongest gaming phones available. Higher performance with better efficiency means fewer slowdowns and more stable gameplay. But Apple's biggest advantage is not just raw power, it is the ecosystem. If you already use a Mac, iPad, Apple Watch, or AirPods, the iPhone becomes more valuable because everything works together. That ecosystem advantage is something competitors still struggle to match. Now the biggest question. What about price? Apple has not confirmed pricing, but based on current Pro models, buyers should expect the iPhone 18 Pro to remain in the premium category, a starting price around the $1,000 plus. Range would not be surprising. The Pro Max model could cost even more, depending on storage options. So is it worth the price? That depends on your current phone. If you have an older iPhone like an iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro, or earlier, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could feel like a massive upgrade. You would get a better display, much faster performance, improved battery life, stronger cameras, and future AI features. But if you already own a newer Pro iPhone, the decision becomes harder. The upgrade value will depend on how much you care about AI and camera improvements. Compared to Samsung and Google flagships, Apple may not always introduce every feature first, but Apple's strength is usually refinement, making technology reliable, enough for millions of users. So the final buying decision is this. If you need a phone today, waiting more than a year may not make sense. Current premium phones are already extremely powerful, but if your current device is working fine and you want the biggest long-term investment, waiting for the iPhone 18 Pro could be the smarter move, because this generation is shaping up to be less about a new look, and more about the future of the iPhone itself. A smarter iPhone, a more powerful iPhone, and possibly the beginning of Apple's true AI era. For buyers who keep their phones for many years, the iPhone 18 Pro could become one of the most future-proof upgrades Apple has released. The final verdict. Buy now if your phone is old or struggling. Skip if you recently bought a Pro model. But wait if you want Apple's next major step in AI, camera technology, and long-term premium performance. Because the iPhone 18 Pro Max might not just be another yearly upgrade. It could be the iPhone built for the next generation.